Hey everyone, this is Sahar back with another art lesson. Today we are making a sunflower collage. I love this craft, I think it's really pretty. Let's get started. So I'm going to start with colored construction paper, some recycled green paper, a pencil, eraser, any paint pens of your choice. I'm using chalk and acrylic, liquid glue, a large paintbrush and a medium paintbrush, and some paints of your choice. I'm using fall colors. So I'm going to take my big brush and dip it in the yellow paint and just start dabbing the brush onto the paper. It doesn't have to be perfect, just try and make sure you cover the whole paper. Now on the other construction paper, I'm going to take my medium brush and just start painting different kinds of lines. This is a great exercise to teach one of the elements of art, which is lines. Now once the yellow paper has dried, you can turn it over and start sketching at least 5 large petals, or just as many that can fit on the paper, and then cut them out. With the recycled green paper, I'm going to cut strips and then fold the paper in half and cut out a leaf. Now let's glue everything together. When it comes to gluing the petals, you only want to put glue on the ends. I like when the paper sticks out a little bit on the top. Now I'm going to take some scrap paper and cut different shaped circles. It doesn't have to be perfect, the circles just have to get smaller. Once you cut your circles out, you can glue them all together. With my paint pens, I'm going to start decorating my circles, my stem, my leaf, and the different lines on my background. And there you have it. That is our fall art lesson. If you like this video, like and subscribe. You can support me on my Patreon, and I'll see you soon.